What's going on, traders? It's Tyler here. Today we're going to be talking about NBY and the stock ticker. This stock has a 7.46 million share float, under 10 million. That is optimum. That's what we're looking for. We're going to be talking about this stock on the 15-minute chart today. We can see that it did gap up from about 103 to 135 before running to 160, before pulling back to 124, and then we did range in that area. Now we're sitting at 137, right above the moving average, right below the VWAP. Now, this did have some news this morning. Let's read this. Nova Bay reports 2019 second quarter net sales of 1.8 million, a 9% increase from the first quarter. So some pretty good news. That's probably why we have this little gap. Now let's go ahead and draw our support and resistance. We got our resistance up here at 1. We're going to go ahead and put this at 153. And then we're going to go ahead and put our support at about, let's put this at 132. And then we'll put our median right in the middle at about 143. Now let's zoom in. If you're holding stock, you're looking to go bullish, whatever the case may be. For me, I'm looking for a bullish play tomorrow, continuation. What I want to see is I want to see this momentum kick back in, this bullish momentum. I want to see us break above this 143 level. I'm going to have an alert set here so I know exactly when that happens. Next thing I want to see is us pull back and retest off this 143 level. Once I see that stabilization, then I'm going to get interested in the trade, because as long as I don't see it go back down here, that's what we're looking for. We want to see it stop here, stabilize, give us some bullish candles, bullish reversal candles. Next thing, once I see that those big buys coming in level 2, I get my order ready right above that pullback point. That way I'm already ready when that momentum kicks in. And when we do pass that, I ride that up to this next resistance up here at 153, and I probably will sell 3/4 of my position, but I'll hold 1/4 to see if we do break above 153. If we do break above 153, then just like down here, I want to see a retest off that zone of 153, and I want to see it stabilize here, just so I know we're not going back down. Once we stabilize, we have those bullish candles, big buy orders, and that bullish momentum. What I do is I wait for it to form out. Once I see it forming, then I have my order ready. That way I don't miss the trade. When it does kick in, I ride that momentum up to this next resistance up here at 170. So those are the two trades that I would look for bullish for tomorrow. There's not much of a short play on this one. Of course, I would always watch out for us breaking below this 132 zone. And just like up here, we want to watch for that retest. Right here, we want to watch off this retest of 132, just so we know we're not going back like that. Because if we do see this get rejected off here, that gives us confirmation that we are moving lower. And if you do want to short this, which I wouldn't suggest, I won't be shorting this by any chance, but you could have your order ready right above that pullback point. Same concept here, but the thing is there's a lot more room to run up bullish, where there's strong support down here where there's not much room to run. But there's always opportunities, and what I would do if you're trying to short it, if you have to short it, whatever the case may be, then have your order here right below that pullback point, wait for it to retest, then set your order up after you see it get rejected, and then ride that momentum down to the support down here at 117. Now again, I would focus on the bullish plays. That's what I'm going to be doing. Now I hope this video helped you. If it did, please first hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Click that bell notification so you get notified every time I release a new video. Share with your friends. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.